Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI content with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. Before starting, decide what type of content you want to create. This could be an educational video, marketing content, social media post, presentation, tutorial, or promotional video. Next, prepare your script or content idea. Keep the information clear, organized, and suitable for the audience you want to reach. Now start a new video project and choose an AI avatar that matches your content. Select a presenter with an appearance and style that fit your topic. Add your script to the editor and choose an AI voice. Select the appropriate language and voice style for your audience. After that, customize your video by adding a background, text, images, captions, logos, and other visual elements. Organize your content into scenes to create a smooth presentation. Use the preview option to check the complete video. Look for mistakes in the script, pronunciation, timing, avatar presentation, and visual design. If you find anything that needs improvement, edit the project and preview it again. Once everything looks good, generate the video
Hi,
and wait
I'm
for
excited you're
HeyGen to
here.
finish processing it. When the final video is ready, watch it from beginning to end and make sure the content communicates your message clearly. Finally, export the completed video using the available options and use it on your preferred platform.